Hi, how are you? I'm so glad to see you. Today I have sent home a plastic bag, recycled plastic bag, that has been sitting by itself for a while, and in it you will find a cup and two rubber bands. The first thing we're going to do is put the little rubber band, the skinnier rubber band, around like this on the cup. And I want you to pluck it and pluck it on the side and pluck it on the bottom and pluck it on the side and pluck it on the bottom and listen and see the vibrations. I'll take the other one, big one, and wrap it around and listen to that vibration. What's different? What do you notice? Do that several times with changing out the rubber bands. Then take the rubber bands completely off and put your hands right here and talk and sing and hum. See what you hear and feel. Then you're going to take the paper clip with the string and thread the string through the hole. Push it through. Push it through that hole and pull it so that the paper clip is right there, so the string can't go all the way through. There's a paper clip to stop it. See that? So just thread that through. I'll try that again. And if your string gets kind of frayed at the end, you can just push it through you can cut it if you want to, get a fresh start, and or you can lick it, sometimes lick it to get all those threads together, and then pull it through, okay? Then in your packet was a paper towel. Get the paper towel wet, and we're going to feel the vibration and hear the vibration. Hold the cup on the side, or you could get someone else if you want to hold the cup really sturdy for you, and experiment with this. I'm going to wrap the wet paper towel around the string. Wrap it and then pull. Hold it really tightly around that string and then pull. And it makes that sound. And why does it make that sound? What's the vibration? Does it sound like a turkey? It does. So please read the brochure that I put in your bag, and there's some vocabulary in there. And also I would like to see if you want to decorate this like a turkey and then make it like a turkey call. So think about vibrations, sound, pitch, high and low, and have fun. Happy Thanksgiving. I miss you. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.